Welcome to the Prompt Catalog tutorial. You can sign up on the top right corner for a free trial. You can sign up with email and password. You will need to confirm registration in a confirmation email, or you can sign up with your Google account. You will then need to approve permissions for Prompt Weaver. After signing up, you'll click on the top right button to go to Catalog. On the top, you will see you are on the free plan, which gives you 5 prompts to upload to the catalog. You can upgrade to the Pro version for a one-time payment of $27. Let's review the prompt catalog features. The first option you will see is to upload a doc, text, or PDF file that has your list of prompts. If the prompts in these files have image examples, the images will load into the prompt preview box in the catalog. Clicking on the Higgs field or Open Art buttons will copy the prompt and open the image generators so that you can paste the prompt quickly and generate your image. Because documents can contain different texts, the prompt may not always be extracted 100%. You may need to go into the prompt and edit it manually to erase or add some parts and click Save. Another thing you can do in the prompt catalog is upload a reference image. You can upload or copy an image from another site. Then place the mouse in the image box and hit Ctrl-V on the keyboard to paste. You will then click on the Generate a Prompt based on that image and add it to the catalog. You can see it now appears in the catalog. I will click on the Higgs field button, paste the prompt, and hit Generate. Voila! Next we have Extract Prompts from Screenshot. Let's say you have multiple prompts, or you just don't want to select text and paste. You can click on the Control Print Screen buttons on your keyboard. Move the mouse over the box and click Ctrl-V to paste. If you have multiple prompts, they will be separated individually into the catalog. If your screenshot includes an image, the image will be pulled into your preview box. Here, I used an example of a screenshot from the prompt bank, which I highly recommend and will leave a link to in the description below. Because the prompt is very long, I had to reduce the screen size and the image became blurry. You can fix this by copying the image and then hovering over the preview box and clicking Ctrl-V to paste. Next, we have the Add Prompt Manually, where you can copy-paste the image and the prompt text. Add a filter tag of your choosing and add to catalog. You can now see it here with the tag I created for summer. Tagging your prompts make it easier to find them later when you want to create specific content, like driving in a car, for example. And that's it. With the prompt catalog, there's finally a way to keep track of all your favorite prompts and stop wasting time jumping through tabs.